This is Shane. I'm gonna make you a fantastic Brussels sprout salad that's gonna knock your socks off. I have some organic Brussels here, and we're gonna cut the tips off, these little yellow parts. Don't go too far because you'll see we're gonna use it as a little handle. And then we're gonna cut them in half. Or if you have a Roboku, you could just cut this part of it, the ends, and then drop them all in a Roboku and shred them. Or you can buy them from the store pre-shredded. I don't like it that way because they're sometimes dried and God knows when they actually cut them. So this is the best and most affordable way to buy them this way and cut it up yourself. So as you notice, cut them in half. I'm gonna flip them over and I'm just gonna go really tight with the knife and bring it all the way to here. Now, if you enjoy this, go for it. Cut, you'll get a bigger crunch. If not, just leave it alone. You could add it to your stock, or if you're making some, long-term roast, throw them in there. It doesn't hurt. No waste. Okay, so we're just gonna cut these up, and then we're gonna mix them up with some dates. I love dates. There's so many applications for dates. They're protein, they're good for you, and there's an alternative way of using sugar. A lot of people add sugar to their dressings to sweeten it up a little bit. I think a few dates would be far more successful. And my joke is always, who doesn't like a date? Okay, so I already had pre-cut some up. There we go. And yeah, it does take a little while. This is labor intensive. And while you're cutting it, you could have great thoughts about who you're making it for. That always helps me. The love that I have for them, they're coming over and how they're gonna enjoy this salad. That transfers always into your food. So I have some fresh fig. I sliced them. They look pretty. And the dates that I told you about, I have them already sliced. I'm gonna show you two of the dates. And it has these little, the core where it was stuck to the tree. You take that off, you kind of pull them apart. And this is the seed, the hard part. And you kind of roll them like a little cigar. And then, yeah, you take your knife to it. Cut them however you like, 4s, and they're good to go. So, we got our dates in there. Oh, my apple. These are pink lady apples. I'm gonna clean up my station. You see what happens when you don't clean as you go. All right. So pink lady apple, or the apple of your choice, you keep the skin on because it tastes delicious. I washed it really good to get if they have any wax on them. Sometimes they have wax, they take it off. All right, so I'm just gonna take them from here and just go very close and chop them thin as I can. You can do them in squares, however your little heart's desire, go for it that way. I like it this way because I like to see the apples and they're thin and it's easier to chew. Kind of goes with my slice, but I don't want to over shred them because they'll juice out and it becomes applesauce. All right, my apples are done. Just gonna toss that in there. I have some walnuts that I could put some whole. I'll save some for the top too. And then I take my knife to the others and kind of crunch it up. So there's different texture, different crunches. Put that in the salad. All right. So now we got, see, back and forth. Now we go, add some cheese to it. So if you were making it for a vegan, no cheese. Vegetarian, cheese. If you want to spice it up, you could have some shrimp sauteed, cool them down, add some shrimp, add some shredded chicken. You go wild with this. But we're gonna add some cheese to this. And just about any cheese would work. Something with texture, flavor. A blue cheese would be great with this. I got a manchego, Spanish cheese. And I'm just gonna do this to it. Some in the middle. I'm gonna save some for the top. Okay, so I got a really good apple cider. It has a mother in there. And I'm just gonna splash that over it. Oh, that guy wanted to stay in there. Olive oil, a really good one. And you mix it. And then, like I said, instead of adding any sugars or anything, I'm gonna add some date molasses. And if you don't have date molasses, you could add a little maple syrup perhaps, or nothing at all. Just a little bit to accent out the dates that are in there too. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna mix it. Get in there with your hands. If you don't wanna do it with your hands, you can use a tongue. But this way you're massaging it. It is raw, the Brussels, so it kind of breaks them down a little bit easier for a chew. And you gain the flavor every bite. And it does make a nice fine mess for the cleaner. Okay, so I clean my hands up. Okay, so you wash your hands. Now we're gonna plate. I chose this lovely white plate. Ooh, we should taste, folks. We should taste. Great crunch. Now, for my taste, I like it sweet. I'm gonna add a little more of date molasses, and I like more of that acidity, so I'm gonna touch up the apple cider. So you always taste, you check it out, see to your liking, mix it up again. It's gonna be nice and tangy. And then plate. Another fast and easy salad. Of course, the Brussels, chopping them up is gonna take a little time, but you're gonna see in the quality and the taste, trust me. Okay, I'm gonna do some more cheese on it. So the folks know it's cheese in there, and there's gonna be a little extra cheese. And then I'm just gonna put some walnuts, so they know there's walnuts in there. And all right, folks, and this is it. A beautiful, fresh salad for all occasions. My name is Shane, and as always, remember to smile and be happy when you're shopping, smile and be happy when you're cooking, and for your own sake, smile and be happy when you're eating. Folks, if you like and you're enjoying this, thumbs me up and subscribe. Have a great day. Ciao.